Okay, tumago pa kayo.
Magandang umaga po muli sa inyong lahat at welcome back po dito sa Steel Drawer ng Matinlupa City. Simulan na po natin ang ating small town lottery draw para sa draw number 2946, April 17, 2024.
2024.
Good luck, Steel players, and now let's play small town lottery Matinlupa City, the 11 a.m. draw.
Ayun na po, kinalog na.
Go.
First ball. Gis.
First winning number is number 10, 1-0. Alamin po naman natin ang ating susunod na winning number.
Look. Number 10. Ano yan?
12.
Second winning number is number 12, 1-2. The winning combinations for today's 11 a.m. draw